was the innovation or the learning that allowed us to change our whole approach to how we do targeting?
Yeah, so once we shifted our focus from trying to understand that individual to trying to understand the impression, it all becomes about understanding as much as possible about the impression, bringing as much information as possible into that decision. And it's really hard to do when that one impression is all you have in front of you. So the way we do that is we found that the most predictive signal to understand that impression is not by looking at the inventory itself, not by looking at the words on the page, but looking at how that piece of inventory is actually used in the wild and what it says about what it means and why someone visits that page. So what we do is we use opt-in data. We have digital behavioral panels where people have opt-in, consented to share their web history. And we study that to understand how each web page on the internet is used in the wild, what it means when someone visits that web page. And then we use AI and machine learning to extract all those patterns so then we can use them for an individual advertiser's targeting problem.